there is one thing that you've got to do if you want A's on your nursing school care plans. I'm going to tell you what that is and how to do it in this video. Make sure to stick around until the very end of the video, of course, friend, because I have something super special to give to you. Hey there, friend. Christina here with NursingSchoolOfSuccess.com, here to help you raise your grades while also having some more free time in nursing school. Now, I often have students tell me, man, Christina, I wish you were my instructor in nursing school. And let me just tell you, no, you don't. I would be your worst nightmare. I would be a super harsh grader, not because I don't love you, but because I expect you to be the best. That's probably why our Nursing SOS membership community is so helpful for students and so amazing, because it's packed with videos to help you be the best nurse you can be. I do not want you to settle for anything less than the best, so that's what I expect from you. And let me just tell you, I would be the toughest grader on care plans because they are so important. Nursing school care plans are literally where you tell the world, here are the exact things that I would do to this patient, so it better be stinking good. You better know what you're doing. And the best way to prove to your professors that you know what you're doing is to correctly prioritize your nursing diagnoses. You have to do this right, my friend. Do you know how many times I have had nursing students say, well, I think the risk for falls is the best nursing diagnosis for them. Okay, first off, everyone knows that risk for falls is the most overused nursing diagnosis of ever, including your instructor, so you're not gonna woo anyone with that. Secondly, if you come to me and tell me that a risk for nursing diagnosis is their #1 priority, I'm going to challenge you to dig a little deeper, my friend. If you have a patient in the hospital, unless they are 110% recovered and ready to dance out of there, a risk for diagnosis should not be your #1 priority. So how do you properly prioritize your nursing diagnoses? Here are 2 principles that you should use to prioritize your nursing care and your nursing care plans: Maslow's hierarchy of needs and the ABCs. If you want a deep dive into each one of these, all of those links are down below in the description for you to check out the videos that we've got on those things. We're gonna walk through an overview here. So Maslow's hierarchy of needs gives you an outline in order of what's most important to that patient. The list in order is physiological needs like breathing and having their blood circulating, safety needs, making sure that their environment is safe, love and belonging needs, self-esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. Now this shows you that you need to take care of their physiological needs and safety needs first before you can move on to the other 3. Now the same thing goes for the ABCs. This stands for airway, breathing, and circulation. You have got to make sure that your patient's airway is clear, that they are breathing, and that their blood is circulating through their body before you move on to anything else. So when you're coming up with your nursing diagnosis for your nursing care plan, you need to make sure it addresses and solves these baseline needs before you move on to something else, like a risk for nursing diagnosis. Obviously, if your patient has compromised oxygenation, like what can happen during COPD, if their kidneys aren't being perfused, like can happen during heart failure, or they have fluid and electrolyte imbalances, like can happen during DKA, you will want to solve that first before you move on to issues that they're just at risk for but haven't happened yet. That's why this is super important to do with your care plans. You need to show your professors that you know what you're doing, and one of the best ways to do that is to accurately, correctly prioritize your nursing diagnoses. If you're struggling with care plans in nursing school, do not miss out on joining the Nursing SOS membership community, friend. Do not miss this. We have a full step-by-step care plan course to walk you through how to write care plans. Plus, we have a whole care plan database for you to gather ideas from to help you with your care plans. That link is down below for you to check out all the details. And speaking of our care plan database, I have some free care plans to give to you today. The link is down below for you to download them in the description. And of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now click on the next video in this series to help you rock your nursing school care plans and go become the nurse that God created only you to be. And I'll see you in the next video.